Welcome back to Visibility Hacker Radio. Today we're diving into a topic that can completely transform your content strategy. We've been talking about it for the last week. We're talking again about golden nuggets. These are those standout moments or insights extracted from your longer form content that can be repurposed into bite-sized pieces to engage your audience and maximize the value of your content. So without further ado, let's jump into our top 5 tips on how to make the most of your golden nuggets.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Tip number 1, always start with your audience in mind. Before you create your main stage content, think about your target audience and the key takeaways that will resonate with them. This way, you'll be able to intentionally create content that contains golden nuggets that will grab their attention and speak to their interests. Moving on to tip number 2, use a variety of different formats to repurpose your golden nuggets. Experiment with different formats like social media posts, maybe Facebook posts, maybe Instagram, maybe TikTok. Try some quote graphics, try some short videos, maybe even Instagram or infographics, maybe long form text and blog posts. By presenting your golden nuggets in diverse ways, you'll be able to appeal to a much wider range of audience preferences and get more mileage out of your content. Tip number 3 is a personal favorite. It's to collaborate with your team. If you work with a team or you have an editor, involve them in the process of identifying and repurposing golden nuggets. They might notice moments that you didn't even think of, and their perspective can help make your repurposed content even more engaging and relevant to your audience. Our 4th tip is to plan your repurposing strategy in advance. When you're outlining your main stage content, make a note of potential golden nuggets and how they could be repurposed. This will save you time and so much effort later on, and ensure that you are maximizing the value of your content from the get-go. Finally, tip number 5, monitor the performance of your repurposed content. Keep an eye on the engagement and reach of your golden nuggets. By analyzing their performance, you can gain valuable insights into what resonates with your audience and continuously improve your content strategy.
Don't forget to subscribe to the Visibility Hacker YouTube channel.
And there you have it, our top 5 tips on harnessing the power of golden nuggets to boost your content strategy. By putting these tips into practice, you'll be able to make the most out of your long-form content, engage with your audience in new ways, and truly maximize the value of the content you create. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.